Given question is, in a triangle ABC, the side length of the A is 13 feet long and side length of the B is 5 feet long. What is the possible side length for C? So the options are 8, 12, 18, 19. So these are the options, and the given question is we need to find possible side length for C. Let's see how to solve it. To solve this triangle, we need to use the triangle inequality theorem. So what is the triangle inequality theorem? The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So that means any two sides, we can take A plus C is greater than B, or A plus B is greater than the third side, B plus C is greater than the third side, like that. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. This is the condition 1 according to that theorem. The second condition is the modulus of A minus B is less than C. That is the second condition. So to find the C value, we are going to apply these conditions. We have given A and B values. So that's why in the first condition, they didn't give the C value. So don't take this. And also they didn't give the C value here. But don't take this. Just take only A plus B is greater than C. So A plus B, that means A value is 13 plus B value is 5. So 13 plus 5, which gives 18. 18 is greater than C. That means C value should be less than 18, not above 18. So according to the first condition, option C is wrong. The side length of the C should be less than 18, not above 18 and not 18. So that's why option C and option D are incorrect. Let's go and check the second condition. Here A value is 13, the B value is 5. So 13 minus 5, which gives 8. So according to the second condition, we can say that the C value is greater than 8. Not 8, not below 8. It is greater than 8. So that's why option A is incorrect. Only option B is correct. So it is greater than 8. So like that, using this theorem, we can find the correct option. That's it.